Hey everyone, Christy here with MyMamaTaughtMe.com, and I wanted to go over how to use the Ibotta app. It's been a long time since I have done a video, and I wanted to show you how. Now, Ibotta is an app that you download on your phone, and then once you do, you sign up, create an account. It's pretty easy to use. You choose what store you want to shop at. I'm going to select tops. And then you go through and you pick off what offers you want. And so I wanted to show you, I bought the Crest toothpaste. I had a digital coupon that I used at Tops. You can use coupons as well. And there was a 25 cents off any purchase. Make sure you click that when you're doing this. I don't know, right here. Right there. That's often on there. It's an extra 25 cents just for any item. So easy peasy. What you got to do is click redeem after you check your offers. It's going to make sure you double check, you have your dates right, and then how to take a picture of the receipt. You press continue, and it opens up. Now, I'm just going to show you, I have my information covered up here, but you would take a full picture as clear as you can, close, and then you can add a selection if the receipt is really long. It wants you to do the whole thing. So it's telling me I have one matched offer. Right now it only tells me that I have the 25 cent off offer. Up here, add rebates. Then it shows you all the ones that you have clipped. So I have the $1 cash back on the Crest Whitening toothpaste. Or which one was it? Yes, this one. So with Ibotta also, you can actually add more than one with some of them. It depends. Not all of them have it. See, these ones don't. But if you're going to do it and you bought more than one, make sure that you check that because you cannot go back and do your receipt a second time. So I'm going to click that. It's going to ask you how many. I only did one. So then after that, it wants you to scan the barcode of the item. It pops open and it is super easy. Look, it just did it really fast. So then you do add one purchase. So it has the $1. I added it. Now we have two on there. So $1.25 cash back just for purchasing the toothpaste that I already purchased. So all you have to do is click collect, and then you have to wait a little bit for it to register, and they send you an email or an alert telling you that it qualified, and then you will directly get that money. I will have more details if you search under our coupon beginners guide on MyMamaTaughtMe.com under coupons. We show you exactly step by step. There's a post on how to use Ibotta if you need to, and any other information you may need. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys are using this. It is a wonderful app to use, pretty easy to earn cash back on items you are already buying.